Hi, my name is Steve Ashton. I'm the Managing Director of TFNetwork, a company born out of our 5G Worcestershire project, headquartered here at Malvern Hill Science Park. At Worcestershire 5G, we created one of the first testbeds as part of DCMS's Testbeds and Trials programme. We focus specifically on Industry 4.0 and productivity improvements in manufacturing. Off the back of this, we have developed a strong technology partnership with BT, and we are building together our testbed as a service. We are particularly proud to be sponsoring this Tommy Flowers Network event, and I am very keen to explore and debate the opportunities that will come from smart connected manufacturing. The event is across 3 days from the 21st to the 23rd of June, and we very much hope you can join us. The event will be held virtually to ensure that as many people can join from the UK and across the globe.
Hi, I'm Tim Whitley. I'm MD of Applied Research at BT and our R&D campus at Astral Park. At BT, we're excited by the opportunity that new and emerging technologies present to really transform manufacturing, and everything else for that matter. Technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning and 5G can make manufacturing more efficient, smarter, more secure, and really responding in real time to changing circumstances. Basically, just making things work that much better. We set up the Tommy Flowers Network to bring together industry and academia to examine the big challenges the UK and the rest of the world are facing. The sort of challenges that need people from multiple disciplines across multiple types of organisations to solve. Our conferences are a great opportunity to find out more about a topic, take part in the discussion and make connections. We're super excited to be working with Steve and the team at TFNetwork to bring this virtual conference together.
Across the 3 days, I am very much looking forward to sharing insights and holding debates with our many different speakers. We have drawn on government, academia, researchers, the high-value manufacturing clusters and key manufacturing companies of all sizes. Our debates will cover the impact on productivity of smart connected manufacturing, the skills requirements that we will need to exploit that opportunity, what role will big data have to play, and how do we ensure manufacturers of all sizes can benefit for the sake of UK PLC. I very much look forward to joining you across these 3 days. I'm interested to find out about your experiences across Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing, and hope that with TFNetwork we can go on a journey in the future to understand the productivity benefits that there are.